Using for loop in lists. For loop in lists. For loop in Python is very useful and very common thing to do in almost all programming languages. But when we use for loop in lists, it helps us to print each element from the list individually. Note, we can use for loop for many different things in programming, but in this time, we will use for loop with lists. Let's see how. First, we go to brackets. As you can see here, we have our list book apple dog camel. Okay, so to print out each element from the list using for loop, easily we just can type for list in list colon. Make sure L is capital. Okay, what we typed here is for. For means for loop. List in list means to call each element from the list and store it in the variable list, which is the second list. After that, print to see what we did here. So, to print in for loop, make sure you have the indent or press tab in the keyboard. But in this application brackets, when you press enter, it gives the indent automatically. Then type print, put any strings such as I love my space plus list. Alright, save the file and see it in terminal. Very good, it shows all the elements with the string that we entered. Is that cool? Okay, for now we wanna print a thank you string. To print a thank you string, do not put the indent, which means it's out for loop. Then try it on terminal. Wonderful! As you can see here, it's printed alone. But if we put the indent before print, look what it shows. It's printed thank you message with each element of the list. Alright, hopefully you got the idea of for loop. Thanks for watching.